Sir. Please, sir, please. Please say something about our new flyover, sir, please.
Hi, good morning.
Morning, sir.
So we have just
Please explain us.
visited. This is the first and new flyover to be inaugurated by our Honorable Chief Minister on the 11th. So I hope, and many more to be inaugurated by him. So I hope all is going well, and let's look forward for the best. And see, this is our the spot where I am standing right now. Down we have our Tedang guest house.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is,
Can I get also, sir?
yes.
Okay, sir.
That is our Mihai crossing
The mountain union.
the mountain area.
Okay, crossing Talang. Yes. I love this fellow.
And there is our secretariat.
Oh, this one, sir.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So I think this is all LED lights. Design is much better. A new design. There you can see our members hostel. This is our members hostel.
Okay, sir. This one, no, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
The works are going on. There you can see labor building the walls. They're going to paint.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, all good. Going well. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Thank you for coming, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Safe journey, sir.
Thank you.
See you soon, sir.
See you soon. See you on the 11th.
Okay, sir. Thank you.